Lincoln, raise your head up. Lincoln.
There he goes.
How old are you, buddy? How old are you, buddy? How old is your mom?
A week and a half.